2, 3. Congratulations, Family Pidiglorio.
Yun. Maalala ko na. So, optimistic pala yung word na gusto ko sabihin. So, we are very optimistic, that Bastana can deliver this project on time. Of course, with integrity and, utmost quality. So, we choose Bastana to help us, shape and build our greenhouse. So, yun lang po.